Hello friends, I'm BBPraveen. Today we are gonna taste Toblerone chocolate and see how to pronounce this name. There are two different types to pronounce this. First is Toblerone and second is Toblerone. Okay, let's unbox this now. And now we have to bend this like this and take it out. It is covered with a foil. Let's take the foil out. Wow. Now, let's break this. We have to break like this. Wow! Look at that nuts. Let's taste it now. It's very crunchy and delicious. The honey in it, and this is from Switzerland. This is awesome. It's so delicious. It is currently owned by America. Okay friends, bye. Signing off by BBPraveen.